few about using of the new technology founded of the augmented reality. Augmented reality with it. The key word of this expose. It is a system who make possible the superposition of a virtual model to the perception we have of the reality. For example, superposition of virtual image to a real image. I don't know if you see.
You have difficulty seeing. It's a shame because of the sun.
Ouais, il va rien voir, tout est en noir sur le truc.
Imagine image in a screen, real, saying
like a photo?
Like a photo in prime time, with inscription in a double exposure. We will focus on the use of this technology in a cell phone in order to help policemen to track suspects. For that, in the first part, we speak about the system working. Then we will see the risks and the limits of this application. And finally, we will see the evolution to the application, and we conclude. So first, the system working. Imagine this scene. A policeman is warned that somebody is attacked by a man in a manifestation with a lot of people. Even with a precise description, it is impossible to detect him. A smartphone can help the policeman to detect him with this application. Donc, an application on the iPhone, for example, will enable to see in double exposure the position of the suspect and the position of the other policeman. They see the iPhone and the other policeman and the suspect are tagged in the screen. The society who developed the system is Frequentis, a surveillance system company based in Vienna, in Austria. Developed the system EAPLS, Automatic Personal Location System. This zone shows the position of the agent on the screen of the control room with the GPS signals sent by the radio. If a suspect have a cell phone spot detected, or if another agent follows the suspect, we can see him on the screen. But the news, it's we can use this system on a standard cell phone. To resume that the frequencies engineer have made, it's to can send the data by a 3G connection. So every agent who have a standard iPhone can have an access to this data. No only agents in the control room. Now, we speak about the risk and limit of this application. It's David Slogat, a security researcher at the University of Reading in the United Kingdom, prevents that data that gives this application which can be dangerous for the community. He say, terrorists have been very good at running our own technology against us. The Mumbai attack in India were meticulously planned on Google Earth, for instance. If terrorists get all police location data on mobile phone, it could be disastrous. So imagine that terrorists can know the police position. Donc would require a very encrypted system to prevent criminals use this data. The demonstration system of this application uses the 3G connection, but the final version uses a new 4G connection, very encrypted of the public security. Also, the United Kingdom Home Minister, Pauline Lloyd-Jones, said that she wants to test this system during 12 months at the University of Nottingham against the realistic security threats, moderated dangerous. Okay, she interested. And finally, the third part, the evolution to this application. There are visors for agents to can generate. For example, the system make a visor for helicopter weapons, where we can see the outlines of the. We can see, for example, a green light around the suspect in a screen in the helicopter. Trivision, a German society, use miniature accelerometers who follow the head move to make a little screen replicate. And also, Churchill Navigation make a video map for helicopter for other application. Who make the outlines of the street in double exposure for a better see of the scene in the sky. And to finish, James Srinivasan and his colleagues from Oxford work on a system who provides the coverage of teams on the field. For example, during the search of explosives in a shopping center or on a jet route in Afghanistan, camera give a virtual image to show at the team the area they are missed, not. To conclude, the development of these new technologies is interesting, but presents some problem of security. This will allow to discover even more technology to solve this security problem. Thank you for your attention. And, if you have any questions.
Alexis Garingo, il arrive. Bon, allez, ça va être bon. Là, ça va être genre un peu. Ah merde.
Has anyone got any questions?
Have you understand what is the augmented reality? Yes? And the application of the augmented reality?
Yes.
Could you explain explain to me the difference between 3G and 4G?
Oh no, it's a system of connection between cell phone, use réseau, same as the radio connection, but more performant. 4G, 4G, it's new, it's not available.
Does anyone have
And the 4G connection will be more encrypted, secure than the 3G connection.
Okay, thank you. Does anyone have any questions for Paul Antoine? No? I have a question. How much will this cost?
I'm not interested.
How much will this cost?
I don't know the cost of this system.
Is it
Or
expensive?
if it's an iPhone application, it's not very cost. But the other system, like Visa, etc., are very expensive.
Yes.
I have not the price exact, but it's expensive.
Okay. How long has this technology been developed by the German company? How long has the technology been developed by the German company?
It's a recent development, and this technology is in function. Is available now.
Right.
The visor for the helicopter, for example, are in service.
Right. Okay.
But the first system I speak for the iPhone could be. I say he will test in Nottingham now
Yes.
for 12 months, and after if the result are good, it can be developed.
Question?
How can this application localize the suspect from the place?
I will say that. If an agent follows the suspect very next, and the agent was in correspondence with the other agent, but if the suspect is lonely, you don't can. Alors, you say what is the interest, but in a big manifestation, if one agent can follow a group of terrorists, and the other agent can detect the localization of the group.
Thanks.
And you can help him?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
They can find him more fast.
You mentioned about Mumbai. You mentioned about Mumbai in India.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you explain about how they use Google? How the terrorists use Google, you said, in Mumbai in the terrorist attacks?
I don't know precisely what is happened in India, but I suppose that the terrorist can detect precisely interesting target with Google Maps in zooming on the strategic bâtiment, for example.
Buildings. Okay. Thanks, Paul Antoine. Any other questions, anybody?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Paul Antoine. Well done.